Hello and welcome back to our channel. As a content creator or aspiring entrepreneur, you might be interested in exploring the world of affiliate marketing on YouTube. This marketing technique is a performance-based strategy that allows you to earn money by promoting products or services through your unique affiliate link. In this video, we will discuss the various aspects of affiliate marketing and how you can leverage this technique to monetize your YouTube channel. To begin with, let's talk about the importance of creating engaging content and building a loyal audience. Without a strong and engaged subscriber base, your efforts in affiliate marketing may fall short. Therefore, it's crucial to produce high-quality videos that resonate with your audience. By doing so, you can establish a community of followers who trust you and are more likely to purchase products or services through your affiliate link. Next, we will explore how to find the right affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. It's essential to partner with brands that are relevant to your channel's topic and your audience's interests. This way, your promotions will come across as authentic and genuine, and your followers will be more likely to engage with them. We will also discuss how to optimize your videos for maximum visibility and engagement. YouTube is a highly competitive platform, and it's essential to employ various techniques to rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. We will cover tips on how to optimize your video titles, descriptions, tags, and annotations. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of income for YouTube content creators. By following the tips and techniques discussed in this video, you can start earning money while providing value to your audience. So, let's dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing on YouTube and take your channel to the next level. 1. Find your niche. Growing your online presence and monetizing your content can be a challenging task. One of the key factors in achieving success is finding your niche. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract a dedicated audience that is genuinely interested in what you have to offer. For example, if you're passionate about fitness and frequently share workout routines and healthy recipes on your channel, you might want to consider partnering with fitness brands that align with your content and values. However, it's important to keep in mind that authenticity is crucial in this process. Your viewers can tell when you don't genuinely believe in the products or services you promote, and this can hurt your credibility in the long run. Therefore, it's important to only partner with brands and products that you truly believe in and would recommend to your audience. This not only builds trust with your viewers but also ensures that you maintain your integrity as a content creator. When choosing brands to partner with, it's essential to research and vet them carefully. Make sure that the brand's values align with yours and that their products or services are of high quality and value. It's also important to be transparent with your viewers about your partnerships. You can do this by disclosing your relationship with the brand and clearly stating that you receive compensation for promoting their product or service. This transparency builds trust with your viewers and shows that you value their trust and loyalty. Finding your niche and partnering with authentic brands can help you grow your online presence and monetize your content. But remember, authenticity is key. Only partner with brands and products that you truly believe in and would recommend to your audience. This builds trust with your viewers and ensures that you maintain your integrity as a content creator. 2. Choose the right affiliate programs. If you're someone who is passionate about technology and enjoys creating content on video sharing platforms like YouTube, you might be interested in monetizing your content by partnering with affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn a commission by promoting products that are relevant and useful to your audience. By partnering with reliable and trustworthy affiliate programs, you can maximize your earning potential and build a sustainable income stream. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to select the right products that align with your audience's interests and needs. It's important to focus on promoting products that you genuinely believe in and that you think will provide value to your viewers. This way, you won't just be making sales but also building trust and credibility with your audience. There are many reputable affiliate programs to choose from, including Amazon Associates, Fiverr, Digitstore24, ClickBank, and Max Bounty. These programs offer a wide range of products that you can promote, including software, gadgets, online courses, and digital products. To select the best products for your audience, you should research your niche and identify the products that are most relevant and useful to your viewers. To be successful as an affiliate marketer, it's important to build trust with your viewers. You can do this by creating high-quality content that showcases your expertise and credibility in your niche. By promoting products that align with your brand and values, you can establish yourself as a credible influencer and generate a steady stream of income. Overall, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and rewarding way to monetize your content. With hard work, commitment, and a focus on providing value to your audience, you can turn your passion for technology into a profitable venture. 3. Create engaging content. As a travel vlogger or content creator, you have a fantastic opportunity to monetize your content by incorporating affiliate promotions into your videos. This way, you can not only create engaging content that enhances the viewer experience but also generate income through commissions. To start with, one of the best ways to incorporate affiliate promotions into your videos is by seamlessly integrating affiliate links into your video descriptions. For instance, you could recommend a specific camera or backpack that you used during your travels and include an affiliate link to the product in the description below your video. Alternatively, you could also provide a link to a booking website for a unique hotel or tour company that you featured in your video. By doing this, you're not only providing valuable information to your viewers but also potentially earning a commission for any sales made through your affiliate links. It's important to remember to disclose that you're using affiliate links in your video descriptions to maintain transparency with your audience. But how do you find the right affiliate programs to join? Well, you can start by researching affiliate programs that align with your niche and content. For instance, if you are into adventure travel, you could research affiliate programs for outdoor gear, travel insurance, tour companies, and so on. Once you find a few programs that fit your niche, you can apply to join them and start promoting their products or services in your videos. Incorporating affiliate promotions into your videos is an excellent way to monetize your content and generate income as a travel vlogger or content creator. Just be sure to follow ethical practices and maintain transparency with your viewers, and you're good to go. 4. Build relationships with your audience. If you're looking to become a successful lifestyle influencer, one of the most important things you can do is establish strong relationships with your audience. This requires creating content that really resonates with them and taking the time to engage with them on various social media platforms. One way to build this connection is by responding to comments and messages, and even conducting live streams to answer their questions and share your daily life. By doing so, you can create a sense of community among your followers, which can lead to increased engagement with your content and drive traffic to your affiliate links more organically. It's important to keep in mind that people are more likely to trust and buy from someone they feel connected with. Therefore, it's essential to focus on building genuine connections with your audience. You can do this by sharing personal stories and experiences, being transparent and honest, and listening to feedback from your followers. Remember that building a loyal and engaged following takes time and effort, so be patient and consistent in your efforts. By building a strong relationship with your audience, you can establish yourself as a credible and trustworthy influencer in your niche. 5. Track your performance and optimize. If you're a gaming content creator who collaborates with gaming companies through affiliate partnerships, it's essential to monitor your performance metrics regularly to ensure that you're achieving your goals. By utilizing tools such as Google Analytics, YouTube Analytics, or vidIQ, you can track various metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement rates. Analyzing these metrics will enable you to identify which strategies are working well and which ones need improvement. For instance, you might discover that certain types of content perform better than others, or that specific promotional strategies are more effective at driving conversions. Once you've identified areas for improvement, it's crucial to experiment with different strategies to determine what works best. This involves testing different types of content, modifying your promotional strategies, or trying out new affiliate partnerships. As you experiment, track your results closely and analyze the data to identify what's working and what's not. By continually optimizing your campaigns based on your performance metrics, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of your affiliate partnerships and maximizing your revenue as a gaming content creator. Remember, the key is to keep experimenting, analyzing, and optimizing to achieve the best results. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing on YouTube can be a lucrative way to turn your passion into a steady income source. Whether you're a beauty guru sharing makeup tutorials, a DIY enthusiast demonstrating home improvement projects, or a foodie sharing mouth-watering recipes, there's endless potential to create content that appeals to your audience and earns you commissions through affiliate partnerships. To embark on your journey of YouTube affiliate marketing, you need to first sign up for an affiliate program. There are several popular affiliate programs available, such as Amazon Associates, Digit Store 24, ClickBank, Max Bounty, and Commission Junction. Once you sign up, you'll be given unique affiliate links that you can incorporate into your YouTube videos and channel descriptions. When you include these affiliate links in your content, you can earn a commission on any sales that are made through those links. For instance, if you're sharing a skincare routine video and you include an affiliate link to a product you used, any viewers who click on that link and make a purchase will earn you a commission. However, it's essential to remember that success with affiliate marketing is not instantaneous. It takes time, effort, and creativity to create content that resonates with your viewers and earns you commissions. But with dedication and persistence, you can build a profitable affiliate marketing business on YouTube. To achieve success in YouTube affiliate marketing, it's crucial to understand your audience's needs and preferences. You need to create content that caters to their interests and provides valuable information. You can experiment with different approaches and techniques to see what works best for your viewers. Additionally, it's vital to be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships. You can mention in your video or description that you'll receive a commission if they purchase through your link. This way, your audience knows that you're endorsing the product because you genuinely believe in it and not just to earn a commission. Affiliate marketing on YouTube can be a rewarding way to monetize your content and earn a steady income. By following the above tips and tricks, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience and earns you commissions. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, experiment with different approaches, and watch those affiliate commissions roll in. Don't forget to check the links in our description below and remember to subscribe, like, and share with others. Until next time, stay positive with your dreams.